Ebusianfo. Today, before was preparing for the show, no, during the day, na dum so aha yina na light ni ho, the whole day na light ni ho. Some parts of what I may say. And from there 8 a.m. to around 6 p.m. na mini light. So I couldn't really do anything that much. But like nobody and I about TikTok, and I realized that Chairman Wontumi had gone to court. Now, anyone who sees Chairman Wontumi, obia who Chairman Wontumi bian ene ewo court honoma, you cannot help but feel sad. And you will come to understand ye kase NDC for omuye wickeder. If you believe or if you ever thought say asema ye kase NDC for omuye wicked group of people la go and look at the pictures of Chairman Wontumi. How Chairman Wontumi is looking say ayekasa. And if you're on YouTube and Facebook, I'm displaying it for you to see. You are seeing it on your screen. Chairman Wontumi, that we all know, say no, basically like a skeleton. Chairman Wontumi. Basically like a skeleton. We're losing weight. Why we sharing out Musa Papa no? All is not well with him. Adentia. Because ne party ne power biomana. And Tonye gonna need biom. Nana says he has grown lean. But yeah. Chairman Wontumi has really grown lean. And it's because this government, John Dramani Mahama government, have promised themselves, say, they are going to deal with anybody or NPP ni. Look, you might be rejoicing today, say, Wontumi and wo. But after Wontumi, they will come for you. When NDC are done with Wontumi, it will shock you, say, who are now if you say, you are in the good book of NDC, they will come for you. And we have examples in our Bible that we can relate to. You remember that after Jesus Christ had left, after he left, Peter became the leader of the church. And yes, sir. It was Peter and James. And the king then got James. And they killed James, yeah. After killing James, and he saw, say, oh, then he went for Peter. It was when he got Peter that the church said, no, hey. James went, they killed him. Now, Peter, if you don't take after Peter, it might be you, it might be me. They started praying. It is that same thing. MPP for I say and take care of it. And careful. If you think that Chairman Wontumi today it is him, so you don't care. Unkasa, or Facebook page, or Twitter page, or all those pages. If you think say Chairman Wontumi unkasa, know that when they are done with Chairman Wontumi, Mami, you are welcome to the YouTube stream. Omuni Chairman Wontumi we are. Who is next? It might be you. That is why we cannot be quiet. We cannot be quiet when one of us, one of our own, someone, our chairman, our stronghold, Ashanti region. Do you know what that means? Do we actually understand what NDC is doing? Said they are touching a chairman, our stronghold, and we are all quiet. I'm not saying we should go and fight too, because we cannot fight physically. We can only use the law courts. So I'm not saying that. But at least, while you MPP, show some concern. Show some concern. Chairman Wontumi, as we are speaking, say no, even the Momo account, Momo account, ya block it. Yeah. Ya block it, Chairman Wontumi Momo account. He does not have access to Momo. Now, Obibia who send this camera, Chairman Wontumi, the network will reverse it back to you. Because the networks have been warned, said Debbie. All his assets have been frozen for several months now. Chairman Wontumi. Ni Momo account, ni bank account. For himself, even ni companies. Even ni yire die nyina ya freeze. Because or your chairman of MPP, Ashanti region. I'm telling you, that is the reason. No matter what clever reason that you think, say, the NDC for no. Please, camouflage. The actual reason is say they want to weaken the party in Ashanti region. Now, if you want to weaken MPP in Ashanti region, who do you go for? You go for the chairman. Bible says, strike the head and the flock will be scattered. And yes, sir. Yeah. So now the chairman, ni attention now, how to go into court or slim it down every now and then. He's losing weight. He's not well. Do you think, say, he can have time to strategize with the party at the regional level? He will not. So when you see the likes of Paul Yando and the rest, you understand, say, the party, our Ashanti region, is bleeding. Now, while we are MPP, you should know, say, without Ashanti region, there is no way we are going to win a election in Ghana. So Ashanti region, Nima, MPP, there will be no position for anti-kingdom camp. So any attack by NDC, our party Nusu Ashanti region should be a concern to everybody. Wow, Pesoye flag bearer. You must be concerned. This is the time for us to see Dr. Baumia create Japan, Kwabnai Japan, Dr. Edu Chum, and who? Who is the last one? Dr. Brane Champon. Follow at least. Now for one day, all of you go to court with Chairman Wontumi. Show support. But I know some people will not do it. Because people who are munyeda. And then Chairman Wontumi me say, we don't like forgiving. And sometimes we've forgotten say, party no, enya sorry. MPP party no, enya sorry. Even in churches, no. Even in churches, people offend one another. I was sorry them. Now, say Crawford me offendi one another. Well, sorry them. And then as for political party, there should be something normal that we live with. And something that we should actually make peace with and understand, say, it's part of the game. So the fact, say, somebody has stepped on your toes, is not a reason enough, say, and because A has stepped on my toes here, let the whole party suffer. It is not the best. Look at how Chairman Wontumi has slimmed down. I'm not sure we are happy seeing this. So let's, as a matter of urgency, use our social media handles. Let's create awareness. Let us draw the attention of the international community. Yeah. We must all help to draw the attention of the international community that something like this is being perpetrated against a son of the land. Yeah, asem wɔ court. By now, at least, there should be a way to allow him to access some of his funds. Mutimi freeze nipa account even ni momo account no me freeze. Aden. Aden. Nipa no. He has not held any public office before. Oh, sorry. How do you drop? Who is this one? Oh. No, please drop. Oh. Asembe kwana makofa ya. Oh, yeah. Asembe na menye. Sorry, I don't know what I went to click on or TikTok. You say obi per match. Me per match. Me catch him. I want to me asema me ni abria. Obi say me per match. Me per me the match ni yede. The match ni yede. Let's do that for ourselves and our party. Do we agree? I'm sure that we will. Now, yadi Chairman Wontumi wie ya. Everyone was quiet. Media for all of them were quiet. I said it did not matter. Chairman Wontumi no. It did not matter to anybody. Everyone was quiet. Now they went to do the same thing to Martin Kpebu. NDC for Martin Kpebu. Then all hell broke loose. All hell broke loose. The same thing they did to Wontumi did to Paul Adomochre. In fact, now Martin Kpebu cried there say it has not even reached anywhere. I said Adi Amudiye Wontumi and the others Ebini. Shakataka has joined us on YouTube. He says it's possible everywhere. Adi Amudiye Wontumi ni Paul Adomochre mo. Say nye bini. Where they are comedies. Ni idea Martin Kpebu say comedies. But we took it, we accepted it in good faith. In good faith, Yankasa. Now Martin Kpebu there, ni the abba there, you people are screaming. To the extent, say, Mahama Ayariga oye majority leader of parliament. Any majority chief whip. They are sponsoring a private bill to dissolve OSP. You see, God in heaven, He knows how to fight everyone's battle for them. That is what I've seen. Nyakupon, hey, the old man up there, he knows how to fight battles, Papa, for people. Kisie Jabin, when power changed, press conference upon press conference. As if, no, the office was just set up, say, to deal with MPP4. Can you forget on your coupon? Wow. Can you forget on your coupon? No. Well, have you seen? We should be learning lessons. So, Martin Kpebu that thought say, NDC Bebano, and he will be allowed to do anything he wants to do. When you're in the second independence, he has tasted it. Now, Kisie Jabin, that thought say NDC Aba, and the MPP for ya appointing no, yena or the ebedi bronya. Yes, sir. Or no, so his office is now in jeopardy. And do you know what? They are not just chasing him in one angle. Debbie. They are not using just one angle against Kisi Ejaben. As we are speaking, if you notice, Deputy Attorney General, oh yeah, Dr. Sremsai, I want the Facebook page. Or see Obidi Omaina Kokot said the office of the special prosecutor, no, Parliament did not have the power to establish it. Ninyina ye plan no. They are plans that are being implemented. I'm telling you. They are planned. Because Omunim said they have the judiciary. So what is going to happen? They say, who is going to defend the case? Say, oh, let's keep the OSP office. And yeah, Attorney General. Already, Sir Attorney General office has come out to say, OSP 4 are not really cooperating with them. So it tells you, say, going to defend OSP in court, they will not. They will file some sorry for my choice of word, argument be for judgment to go against them. And then also from Parliament, they have the numbers. So Kisi Ejaben was thinking, say, oh yeah, MPP 4, but he's also on his way to becoming jobless. And we thank God for that. Obia Benya the second independence. Sa Kisi Ejaben no. You remember, few days to election. Few days to election 2024. Yenim neko baye. Papa we so organize press conference. Edian sema. Osi Mahama. Wanye she has not done anything wrong. Ewo. Airbus scandal. Say, hey, Kisi Ejaben, we are sure. Because we all know, because court in UK nina eka say, Mahama a government official one, yes sir. And the company involved, Airbus, they decided to settle. Now your name say, the only way somebody will want to settle an issue out of court is because of him say a court trial. They will lose, and they will lose greatly. So we knew, said there was wrongdoing, but somewhere, somehow, Kisi Ejaben came to tell you and I, say, John Mahama was a saint. Few days to election, just because it was all a plan to ensure, say, MPP will lose the election. Guess what? MPP has lost. Yes, we lost. As we are speaking today, MPP is in the house. We are now nursing our wounds. But you that you thought, say your position was secured, that is also going to be taken away from you. And you can't do foco. Untiminya foco about it. You can't. Auntie say it's sad. You can't do it. Kisi Ejaben and Akufo-Addo. Wufie awo Ashoma honum no. Soldiers guard your house for you. Yeah. Akufo-Addo appointed no as a special prosecutor. Ni fie your taxpayers' money is used to protect your house. Uko jumemwa convoy na odiko. Yeah. Every morning when he's going to work, even weekends, convoy warning him with those police motor riders asking us to give way. Akufo-Addo did all this for you. When he left power, to the extent, say you went to declare the guy wanted, the man wanted. Papa wa bobra. And no. You declared him wanted. Just because you wanted to, I don't know, And we were told, say, yes, as for this man, Kisi Jabende, we were told, allegedly, say, he had requested say enter bulletproof car, man, a Mercedes Benz bulletproof man. And Oforiata said that there be that. Pass or your minus car koto bulletproof car ma odie. Na free senior school or why pes car no. Ye koto bulletproof car ma won kwa. E bra was security details already. Before I don't know. That is where the whole anger started from. I will teach you a lesson. I will teach MPP a lesson. I will teach Ken Oforiata a lesson. I tell you, say, before January ending, office of the special prosecutor will be dissolved. Yeah. Before January ending, next year. Before you call your Congress, they will dissolve office of the special prosecutor. And Kisi Ejaben will become like any commoner. He will become like me. I'm a commoner. Nobody. Now, I even wonder, say, the law firm will survive because, I mean, as special prosecutor, people have seen, say, now any good lawyer biasa. Because Obia might me spend about 45 million Ghana cedis on you. And you have not been able to even get back 1 million Ghana cedis for the country. Cases in Emma. Obia who say we a lawyer banza. And even if you go back to private practice, unya clients. This is what God does. That is why if you are given opportunity today, if you are given the chance to serve today, don't treat other human beings like animals. The way you people treated Wontumi, and you are still treating him like an animal. He refused to eat in Nyoko. You treated him like it did not matter. Samuel. Yeah. Yeah. It's a lesson for all of us. So Kisi Jabin is going home, and I'm happy. So on one crop for me and this for now, or say sorry Tiano. I didn't tell or the Nisako Ur Martin Kpebu. Martin Kpebu soon actually will be kakra. Something small. Something small. And I love the fact, say, Dr. Zato has told them the hard truth to their face. Say, I dare we are Martin Kpebu. No? What have they done to MPP? But they were all quiet. So, let's go into our main topic for tonight. It's already 24 minutes past